Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone lock screen delay to wake up in iOS 17. So guys, if you're facing an issue of iPhone lock screen delay to wake up in iOS 17 version, so guys, this is a very common issue which has came with iOS 17, but don't worry, in this video I will tell you how to fix this issue. So guys, first is first, you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches or delays. Turn off your iPhone by going to settings, tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then our step number 2 is check for software updates. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. Software updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can address performance issues. So you have to open your software update to check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Like I have an update of iOS 17 now, I have to do is simply tap on update now, or I can update it tonight. After this, then you have to do is review your accessibility settings. Sometimes settings related to accessibility features or display settings can impact the responsiveness of the lock screen. Go back, tap on accessibility and check if any specific accessibility options are causing the delay. If there is, then simply consider then turning it off. After this, then you have to do is disable your raise to wake. If you have raise to wake enabled, try disabling it. To do this, you have to go to your settings, then go to display and brightness. Scroll down and you can see your option raise to wake. It can cause this issue. To do this, you have to simply, if it's unable, then you have to do disable it. So guys, after trying this all step and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all your all settings. If the issue persists, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This won't delete your data, but it will reset system settings to their default values. To do this, you have to open your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.